The Mahabharata Subhashitas. Introduction. Next to Bhartruhari, we would like to introduce some select slokas that serve as Subhashitas from the great epic poem, the Mahabharata, composed by the great Vyasa Maharshi. Vedavyasa is a central figure in our culture. Like a lifeline, he has enriched the entire civilization with his creativity and brilliant intellect. He classified the threefold Veda into four segments called Rig, Sama, Atharvana and Yajurvedas. He also crystallized the Vedas into a set of sutras called Brahma Sutra, defining the Vedic concept of the supreme reality. Then he composed the epic, the Mahabharata, the longest poem ever written. He also played a very important role in it. It is an eternal story that remains relevant to people forever. It is indeed the fifth Veda. He first narrated it to Ganapati, who wrote it down. Then he narrated it to his own disciple, Vaishampayana. Using the Mahabharata as oil, Vyasa has lit the lamp of Jnana for the benefit of everyone. We have gathered a few sparks of wisdom from this lamp for the benefit of our viewers. Namostu te Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Phullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yenatvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Gnanamaya Pradipaha.